That's why, with Larry Williams' assistance, we're climbing up the charts tonight. Since before I could drive, he has been the leading authority in the field as a renowned mechanic and market historian. Larry has authored more than a dozen books and developed numerous proprietary technical indicators that are available on his website, arielitrade.com. You should go, it's great. Furthermore, given his stellar recent record, he is only getting better with age. When Wall Street was about to jump out of the windows in the spring of 2020, this man called the COVID bottom. All right, so at the start of this year, he called the major January rally. When he saw that the Nasdaq was running, he executed the Netflix move flawlessly, which was, incidentally, up around 31 points today. This is one update that you shouldn't overlook if you own stock in Tesla. Although the price of Tesla's stock is already approaching 200, a fresh forecast suggests that it could rise even more. Check it out and learn more. Let's look at these charts now. Williams constantly examines historical performance of a certain stock to find patterns that appear to recur repeatedly, which they do. What about Tesla? Both a long-term and an intermediate-term cycle are visible to him. The longer-term cycle, which is shown in blue, is visible. This cycle lasts for 42 months. Since the stock's inception, Tesla's significant highs and lows have all largely followed this trend. Why is it important? Well, the long-term cycle is looking pretty damn fantastic at the moment. The stock stopped declining when it hit its lowest at the end of last year, correct? And this trend indicates that Tesla can continue to rise into the second quarter of next year if history is any indication. Williams advises buying the dips rather than thinking about the upcoming year. However, you might want to reduce your position before any of the major rallies. But take a look at this. Do you see the direction this is going? On Netflix, Williams was absolutely correct. I had the exact same impression of that call he made on Netflix. Speaking of large rallies, he claims that Tesla is currently on a roll because the intermediate-term cycle is the other one that counts. That's highlighted in red. Williams claims that historically, Tesla has rebounded 80% of the time from around now until early September when it reaches this stage of the cycle. 80%? I'll accept that. I am unable to explain why these cycles appear to recur. I have no idea why they frequently result in profitable trades. You can't disagree with Larry's data, and you can't argue with his track record. Therefore, I can only direct you to his incredible data. Despite the erratic market conditions, longtime stock investor Larry Williams recently revealed that Tesla might be headed for enormous gains. Since the start of the year, the price of Tesla's stock has fluctuated a lot. However, there have been rumors that this might be about to change, and Tesla investors might be in for a significant treat. Welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow, everyone. The well-known electric vehicle manufacturer, Tesla, has already achieved great progress in the automotive sector and is expected to maintain its outstanding performance going forward. Tesla is a leader in the EV market due to a number of characteristics that increase its chances of success. The company is well positioned for continued success in the future thanks to its solid foundation, which is based on technological innovation, sustainable mobility, charging infrastructure, brand recognition, vertical integration, worldwide expansion, and continual improvement. Tesla is well positioned to influence the future of the automotive sector and hold its position as the market leader for electric vehicles thanks to its visionary leadership, dedication to sustainability, and flexibility in responding to consumer expectations. Is this the secret to a 2023 stock price of 400? To learn more, continue watching. Before we begin, though, please remember to like, subscribe, and enable notifications if you enjoy this kind of content so that you can stay informed about all of Tesla's developments. The only futures trader in the world to consistently trade $1 million of his own money is Larry Williams, a seasoned investor who has taught thousands to trade the markets. Larry R. Williams won the 1987 World Cup Championship in futures trading after making $1,100,000 from a mere $10,000 initial investment. Larry's revolutionary futures trading strategies were the main factor in this amazing 12-month success. He now projects that Tesla stock, which has historically been a strong performer, will once more be valued at a very high amount, likely $400, and he believes it will occur this year. According to Brett Winton, head of research at ARK Investment Management, Tesla's stock price may reach 400 this year if manufacturing rates increase in the upcoming quarters. Winton claims that Tesla is at least 3 to 4 years ahead of the industry in spearheading the switch to electric vehicles, and that the automaker will keep lowering prices as manufacturing rises. In order for Tesla to sell every vehicle and product it produces in the near future, they will also be introducing new models and goods in the years to follow. The market for electric vehicles is predicted to grow as environmental sustainability and climate change concerns continue to grow. This expanding trend is a natural fit with Tesla's primary goal of hastening the global switch to sustainable energy. As governments around the world impose stronger emissions restrictions and customers place a greater value on environmentally friendly transportation options, Tesla is well positioned to gain a sizable market share, with its emphasis on developing zero-emission vehicles. Additionally, Tesla has shown that it is committed to continuously improving its manufacturing procedures, customer experience, and product offerings. The business has a history of improving vehicle performance, responding to consumer feedback, and releasing frequent software upgrades. In addition to keeping Tesla ahead of its rivals, this dedication to constant development fosters a deep sense of consumer loyalty and happiness. According to Brett Winton, Tesla will once again establish the benchmark for the EV industry if it is successful in producing this affordable EV, as it has done with its prior models. The Tesla bull had already shared his thoughts on innovation and how it may give businesses a significant competitive advantage. He had highlighted the parallels between investments in emerging markets and innovation today. In the automobile sector, Tesla has made a name for itself as a market leader in technological innovation. The carmaker distinguishes itself from conventional automakers by its dedication to developing battery technology, electric drivetrains, and autonomous driving capabilities. Tesla keeps a competitive edge by consistently pushing the envelope of what is feasible because it is positioned to benefit from upcoming developments. Winton stated that there is a lot to anticipate from Tesla in the upcoming years and that the demand for the automaker, and eventually its stock price, may rise. In particular, he anticipates that Tesla will benefit greatly if it can accomplish fully autonomous driving. By managing several facets of the EV ecosystem, Tesla's vertical integration strategy, which includes solar energy solutions, energy storage, and vehicle manufacturing, gives the business a distinct edge. Adam Jonas of Morgan Stanley thinks Tesla can succeed in the cutthroat EV industry. According to him, companies like Tesla that are self-funded, have a track record of growth, and have comparatively cheap supply chain expenses might really be relative winners in the EV market. There are still obstacles to overcome amid a worsening economic backdrop, record high unaffordability, and growing competition, according to Jonas, who discussed Tesla's stock sell-offs as an alluring entry place for investors. He went on to say that his company thinks Tesla will continue to pull ahead of the competitors in the EV race by using its cost and scale advantages despite all of these obstacles. Morgan Stanley had previously listed Tesla as one of its top 3 picks for 2023, emphasizing the company's potential for future growth and the associated prospects. The investment group still views Tesla's shares as a chance for value growth in spite of the company's recent difficulties with its valuation. Even though the stock is quite bullish, it's crucial to remember that they are merely forecasts and do not ensure the stock price. Therefore, before making an investment, be sure to conduct your own research. How do you currently feel about Tesla's stock? Please share your thoughts in the comments box below. Go ahead and click on the next video that appears on your screen to learn more about what Tesla has been up to in recent days. See you there.